So right now I'm starting with this first sauce, that's the soy dipping sauce. For the soy dipping sauce, I'll just show you the ingredients. I'm using this light soy sauce from a company called Lee Kum Kee. Light soy sauce is recommendable because it is doesn't have too much of salt also, and it gives a better flavor. So the first ingredient what I'll be adding into this is the light soy sauce. It's approximately 1/3 cup. And this is a dipping sauce. It's amazing with momos, with dim sums, with whatever you want to. I love this sauce. So this is going to be perfect. You can dip your normal sushis also into this one and enjoy. We'll be adding some garlic. This is normal garlic which is finely chopped. We'll be adding some fresh coriander which is finely chopped. To this, I'll be adding some black pepper. So I have some black pepper around. So some black pepper into this. This according to your taste. Adding some lemon juice. So just squeezing some fresh lemon juice here. You can add this more. And we'll be adding some light soy sauce which is already here. We'll be adding some water to dilute this. Some bird eye chili is going to go into this. So I'll be using these not fresh ones, the Urban Platter bird eye chili. So these are the dried bird eye chili which I have. If you get access to the fresh one, you can use. If you are not getting bird eye chili, you can always use the fresh red chilies and chop them. So I'm just adding this here. They're really spicy. Just remember how much you love, that much only you should add. And we'll be adding some sesame. So your normal til, which is not roasted. If you want, you can roast and use, but this is normal sesame. Just giving it a nice mix. And this is your soy dipping sauce, soy chili dipping sauce, which is ready to use. So you can store the sauce in the fridge. If you want, you can always put the coriander later while you are serving. You can always store the sauce in the fridge for a good month. There is no problem at all. You can always remove some garlic and coriander and add it at the last minute. So also we forgot to add some sesame oil to the soy chili dipping sauce. I'm just adding one. Just little of the sesame oil. It's Blue Elephant Company is the name. And it's really good oil. So you can try this out, or whatever sesame oil you have around, you can use that. So now this is absolutely ready. Let's start with second dipping sauce.